Hello, today I would show you the working of a tree shifter through this prototype. First of all, I would like to say what a tree shifter is. A tree shifter is basically a mechanism through which a tree along with its root could be transferred from one place to another. Let us take an example. Suppose when we make wide roads, when we are going for infrastructure development, then we need to cut a lot of trees from the place where we are doing the same purpose. If we could transfer those trees from that place to another, it would be so beneficial. For this, we could use a tree shifter. Now I will tell you about the tree shifter, how it works, and what are the things which are used to make this prototype. First of all, I have used the wood to make this base on which the entire prototype is based and its functioning is based on. Now, second part is this control panel, which is connected with the five syringes through which the processing of this model is done. These are the supporting pillars through which the mechanism which is present over here is controlled, through which the tree is lifted, through which the tree is transferred and then again placed. Now I will show you the functioning. These are the pillars. First we would need to erect these pillars like this. When these pillars would be erected, then we are required to open this pocket. This is a pocket in which the tree would be placed here. Now I would show you how to open this. We would press a syringe like this, then it would be open and the tree would be placed inside. Then we would these are the blades. These blades are used to dig inside the soil, through which the tree with its root would be lifted up. These blades would be pushed down like this, and then we would pull it back, and similarly the mechanism and the supporting pillars. I would like to say that as this entire project is based on the syringes and pipes, so it is based basically on the Pascal's law. Pascal's law, which means that when the water is transferred from one place to another, the pressure is exerted on the both sides equally. So as you could see, this syringe and this syringe both are connected. When I press over here, this syringe moves down. Similarly, when I pull it back like this, the syringe comes back as well as the blade. Now I would show how we could do this. As I mentioned about the example of wider roads, suppose this is a road and we need to widen it up. So these are the trees. So instead of cutting these trees, we could transfer these trees from this place to another place. Now I would show you this. As first we would erect these pillars like this. Then I would open up the pocket mechanism like this. I would take it to the tree like this, fix it up, and then close up my mechanism. Then I would press up these blades like this. One blade down in the soil, then the second blade down in the soil. Then I would close up my mechanism like this, and then I would pick up this tree. As you can see, it is picked up so easily along with its roots. Now I would take it to the place where I need to place it like this. Then I would back up my blades like this. I would open up these supporting pillars, place this down there. Then I would open this pocket where the tree was placed like this and move it back. As you could see that along how we use this pocket mechanism and the blades mechanism to shift this tree from this place to that place. And now I would wind it up all like this. The mechanism got back, the blades and the supporting pillars are up. So this was about my project, the tree shifter, which could be widely used around all over the world, which could be more beneficial for us as human beings, for the animals, for their surroundings, for their habitat, as well as a lot of people and for our Mother Earth. Thank you.